What's the meaning of Banana Republic? Banana Republic. Banana Republic.
Banana Republic. Banana Republic. Banana Republic is a term used to describe politically unstable and economically dependent nations that rely heavily on the export of a single commodity, typically bananas or other fruit. The term was coined by American author O. Henry in the early 20th century to describe the economic and political situation in Central America. These countries are often characterized by corrupt governments, weak institutions, and a lack of development and opportunities for their citizens. The term has since been broadened to describe any country that is overly dependent on a single commodity or resource and is struggling with instability and economic hardship as a result.